into this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. King SWAT. We're about to prank Caleb right now. Got the noodles. I'm gonna tell him to come downstairs and step on my back. You know, he hates stepping on my back. On my back. Need to be cracked every day. We gonna get him today. All right, you know where to step at, right? You know where to step at?
Hold up. Ow. Yow.
Come on, dude, hurry up.
Ow.
Oh my God. All right.
I think I broke his back, but
I hope you guys enjoyed that prank video. Don't forget to hit that like button.